Blueair Pure 311 Auto Medium Room Air Purifier with Auto Mode for allergies, pollen, dust smoke, pet dander, viruses, and bacteria with the Pollen technology and washable pre-filter. Recommended for medium rooms, completely filters air in master bedroom, living room or playroom about every 12 mins, 5x an hour at 388 square feet, on high. Intuitive auto mode, automatically adjusts to real-time conditions reported by the particle sensor to maintain a comfortable home environment. Combination filter, carbon traps light odors, Pollen technology removes 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.1 micron, like pollen, dust, and viruses. Low noise and energy, cleans the air with noise levels equivalent to a soft whisper on low, 23 to 53 decibels. Customized freely, washable fabric pre-filter in Arctic Trail, gray, included, additional pre-filter colors inspired by Scandinavian nature sold separately. Regulatory model number 3,431,101,000. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.